Hello and welcome to our Screencastify version of how to get onto Google Classroom and a little bit about the ins and outs that you need to know as a parent or a student regarding Google Classroom. First of all, you want to open Chrome, and we definitely think you should use the Chrome browser as we've been having trouble with other browsers. And once you're in Chrome, you're going to log into the Google account. And at the top on the right-hand side, you'll see what we call the waffle or the small boxes. You'll click on that once and you're going to find the classroom icon and click on it. Once you're in the classroom screen, you're going to click the plus sign at the top right of the screen where you can join a class. Each classroom will have a unique code that you need to put in to join that specific class. Once you have the code entered, you will hit join. And it will bring you into the classroom that you are trying to join. You'll see on the classroom screen at the top, in the middle, there is a stream and a classwork area. We're going to start with the stream. The stream we just use at Cambridge Middle School as general announcements. You will not have classwork listed there. To find the classwork or your assignments, you want to click the classwork tab. You can divide the classwork into different tabs. In some grades, they do it by subject area. Others do it for the week. So there might look a little different, but it will be generally the same information. One thing we do want to stress is that you do need to check in for attendance every day. So you need to make sure that you are checking in for attendance every day, even though your classwork may not be due till the end of the week. We want to make sure that you're checking in every day to get all the updated information that you need. We'll now show you what a sample attendance looks like. As you can see, you just have to put your first and last name and then click next. And check in for your attendance. Not all attendance looks exactly like this. Some may have a question that you need to answer, but every class has an attendance section. Also in the classwork, you'll find your assignments. Some assignments may have a written portion that you need to turn in. Others may just be materials or videos that you can use to help you understand whatever section or whatever content you're working on. Here's an example of an assignment. In this particular assignment, they're using Kami. Kami is an add-on which most students have already added on. If not, there are instructions on how to do so when Kami assignments are posted. The tricky thing about Kami that we are finding out is that some students are clicking just the turn in button, which is in the top right, you can see, but they aren't filling out any of the information. So if they turn in a blank assignment, so as a parent, you may see, and it may look like that information is turned in, but there's no content provided by the students. To provide content, it's fairly simple. You have a list of tools on the side. Right now, we're clicking on the text box. They can choose the color, and then they just click, and as they type, the text box gets larger. So they don't have to worry about clicking or dragging. They can put a multiple word or number value in there, and as they type, the text box gets larger. If they have a mistake, they can easily go up and click the red button on the top left, and that will delete the text box. Once they are finished, then they will go up to the turn in button and click turn in, and that will go straight to the teacher's Google Classroom where then it can be graded. And you can see the first time you turn in an assignment, you have to authorize Kami to be able to use Google Classroom so that they can talk to each other. And as you can see, it's turning in, and now it is turned in. And then on the teacher side, we can see what has been turned in and be able to grade the assignment that your child has turned in. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. We have all put on our Google Classrooms that Miss Bates is our evening representative for online learning. So if you have any questions, please feel free to contact her at the number that we have posted on our Google Classrooms in our stream. Thanks for watching and have a good day.